Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use and customize video templates with Flexclip. So Flexclip is a platform where you can create and also edit your video, whether it's from scratch or also with templates. There are 1,000 templates that you can choose with a lot of variety and also a lot of topics. And if you can't find the topic that you're looking for, you can just go ahead and type it out in the searching bar. As for today, I'm going to create a simple Christmas video, so I'm going to go ahead and type out Christmas. And you can also play around with the filter area so that it's going to be easy for you to find what you're looking for. I have found the templates that I would like. I'm going to go ahead and see the preview of the templates. I like this one, so I think I'm going to go ahead and customize this template. So after you choose the template that you like, you could also choose to add some of images or maybe videos that you would like to add that belongs to you. And then they're going to give you a tiny tutorial, a little bit tutorial on what to do next. As you can see here, I'm just skipping through everything. And also after that, I'm going to upload the pictures that I would like to put on my Christmas video. So after I done uploading my pictures, then we can finally play around with our templates. As you can see here, Flexclip already has several things that we can use to edit the video. There's text sections, subtitle sections, photo sections, audio sections, and etc. And as you can see in my templates here, it gave me around 8 sections. So instead of making it just like one long video, they actually help us out even more with dissecting this video into several sections, so that it's going to be easier for us if we want to add some more or maybe delete some part of the video. So here I'm just going to play around with the text. I don't really like how it looks like for now, so I'm going to change it according to how I want it to be. And after I'm satisfied with the text, I am now going to start inserting the picture that I have uploaded into the templates. What I like the most about Flexclip is that once I drag the picture into the frame that I want, it will automatically adjust my pictures into the template. So I don't have to do everything from the start. And if I don't like the position, I could just simply hold it for sometimes and then adjust it how I want it to be. And as you can see here, I'm deleting the frame that I won't be needing, and then I'm just going to make some final adjustment. Alright, now that I'm done with the pictures and the text, I would like to play around with some elements. Flexclip has tons of elements that we can use, whether it's stickers or just tiny animation that we can put into our templates. So just because we're using templates doesn't mean that we can't play around with it anymore. In fact, it's just going to give us even more space for our creativity. So for now, I would like to search for some snowflakes because I cannot see it in the front preview, and then I found the one that I want, and I could just simply click it and then put it into my templates. And the next thing that I do is to delete those present that are in the corner of my templates because I don't really like how it looks like. And I decided that I'd change it into this cute animation of Christmas tree instead. And now it's time for the final part of our editing, which is the choosing of the song. So these templates actually came with its own song, but I don't really like the songs that are portrayed over there, so I am going to choose a new one instead. So you can go ahead and click audio and then types out what kind of music you would like to find. Obviously, I'm going to try to find some Christmas music, and then I'm listening to it one by one. want, I can just go ahead and put it into my video. Another thing that I really like from Flexclip is the fact that when I insert my audio, it's going to automatically adjust the audio according to the length of my video. So I don't have to cut it out. I don't have to drag anything else. It will just automatically adjust itself to the video that I've already made. And over here, I'm going to show you that you can also mix and match some templates. So instead of just using one, you can also add up some pages from another template. For example, I am choosing this template over here that has several pages, but I'm just going to add one of the page instead, and then I'm going to adjust it according to how I like it, and voila. It's just that simple. And again, the audio will automatically adjust to the length of your video. And I'm just putting this page right here to show you how it's done, but I'm not actually going to put it on my video. And that's about it. I am satisfied with my video, and now I'm going to export it. You can choose which format you would like for your video. You can also export it as GIF or just export as the audio by itself. So I'm going to export it with watermark because I don't have any membership yet, but yeah, that's about it. And I'm going to show you the result at the end of the video. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.